Internet. Whew, it has really revolutionized the way businesses are done. People talk to each other. You can today reach out to anybody in the world. In India, ET has shared there will be 900 million active users by 2025. That's a huge growth of 45%. Amazing, amazing. And hence it produces unparalleled opportunities for all businesses, which businesses are using, and hence the word digital marketing. I am Jitin Chawla, career counselor. We keep on doing a lot of videos related to emerging careers, how to compete for exams, how to go step one to your final step so that you can be successful in getting the best jobs in India, outside India. We also help people with profile building, study abroad, and so many other services. You will find it all in our YouTube channel. Okay, today we are going to cover digital marketing. What is digital marketing, guys? How do you reach a customer digitally using various formats, using mobile, using internet, using SEOs, SMMs, and so on, which I'll highlight shortly. So today in detail, we'll understand digital marketing. What all is there in that career? Is it a growing career? What kind of jobs do I get? What are the starting salaries? How do I go there? What are the institutions? What are the trainings available online and offline? We'll understand it all. So digital marketing experts are trying to understand newer ways of reaching customers and understanding how they behave in comparison to other earlier brick and mortar models. Trends. What kind of trends are there in digital marketing? So live streaming. Live streaming has really caught up. In 2020, live streaming increased by almost 99%. Yeah. So that is how it is, guys. I'm sure you would have been a part of a lot of live streams. Audio generated content, that is the next thing on the rise, which is really coming up. Also user generated content. What is user generated content? Like long time back, somebody had started a website, pagalguy.com. Pagalguy.com was actually a thread. Yeah, it is actually true, pagalguy.com. It was a thread. It had a lot of threads for people preparing for MBA. So let's say I'm preparing specifically for IIM Bangalore. So there would be a thread for IIM Bangalore specifically that look, these are the nuances of the CAT test, and then moving on to IIM Bangalore interview and so on and so forth. Somebody is preparing for Xavier's, somebody else is preparing for IIFT, and so on and so forth. So Pagalguy was one which utilized user generated content to build it up big. A lot of businesses use that. So what is the need? What is the need for digital marketing? See, earlier businesses could survive without an online presence, and today a lot of customers, the moment they start by googling it, or they start by YouTubing things. Yeah, when they have to understand a new area, that's the best proposition. That is where companies can kind of catch customers, provide content so that customers are lured onto their website, onto their social media, and so on. So who does it? Digital marketer. Huge number of jobs all over India. Is it a growing career? Is it a growing and fulfilling career? Answer is yes. So I know somebody who started off at a very junior level at Naukri.com, and the person kept on rising, and this is a couple of years back. The person had almost 200 people reporting to her after a certain time, and she became the head digital marketing. I have a junior from my college, FMS Delhi, who is leading digital transformation at Kaya Skin Clinic, digital transformation. So that's the next big thing. Like his salary was approximately let's say X amount of money, and now it immediately became almost 2 times more. I know somebody who was working in India, got 4 times more salary and just shifted to US, again leading digital transformation. So digital marketing is here, and digital transformation requires more managerial inputs, more larger set of this thing applied to the entire organization, so that business actually runs more digitally and not only lures people to the physical business. Yeah, I hope you understand that. So what you need to be a digital marketer? A certain sense of curiousness, enthusiasm, also an understanding of what are the latest changes which are coming. Digital marketing would include the following: SEO, which is search engine optimization. When you search for a service, your name comes up on the top. So that is enabled by doing SEO. SMM, social media marketing. Then you have search engine marketing, remarketing. So these are areas under digital marketing. You understand these areas and you keep on building it up. One very good of exploring this thing is go to Google Digital Garage. It'll give you fundamental of digital marketing. That's a 40-hour course you can do free of charge. It's an amazing course, guys. You should try it. Also, online reputation management. So a lot of times what happens is, so these are two companies and they're in the same business. Let's say Pepsi and Coke, they keep on fighting all the time. Now Pepsi puts something which is slanderous, which kind of impacts Coke's reputation. Yeah. So Coke's reputation management team will take over and try to remove those, or try to bombard with a lot of positive messages so that they are hidden. Something like that. Yeah. So reputation management is a big thing, which is something which is really coming up. What kind of jobs are there in digital marketing? Content writer, copywriter, yeah, web developer and designer, graphic designer, video editor. YouTube marketing is a part of digital marketing, so you can look at that. Social media manager, somebody who will effectively organize all. There's so much to be done. So LinkedIn is separate, Twitter is separate, Instagram is there, Facebook is there. So somebody has to manage across all the channels. So social media manager who will allocate appropriate resources, who will drive advertising, who will drive content and so on. But you might be just a content guy. You might be a guy who's just videography and so on. So that's how you have to look at it. Then you have digital analyst, somebody who will be analyzing all this. Search engine optimization expert. I mean, somebody who will help only in bringing up your website, in putting up tags, in putting up content so that your website ranking comes up. When you do a Google search, so websites which will typically come first, second, third, customers would visit them more. Typically, people would not go to the second page. If your website is coming on the second page, it loses its relevance. And then you have UI UX designer, very, very important. User interface, user experience design. If you look at US, it will be counted amongst the top 10 jobs in US, UI UX designer. Yeah. Okay. Another thing which has been catching, which a lot of students ask me is, sir, I want to be an influencer. Yes. So on one side there are influencers. So somebody is doing doing clothes, somebody is doing cosmetics, somebody is doing how do you build up your body and so on. On the other hand is the company. Now a company interacts with a lot of influencers, understands and then finds the best fit, and then those influencers take company in their videos, in their reels, in their communication to their own subscribers. Yeah. So that is how the influencer marketing works. Again, a huge thing. Most of the top companies in the world, particularly in cosmetics, in gymming, in food, so a lot of companies use influencer networks to reach out. So how do I go there? What kind of courses can I take up? MICA, Mudra Institute of Communication, Ahmedabad. All India Management Institute has a PG program in collaboration with Digital Vidya. Digital Vidya is again pretty good. All of us have also heard of Upgrade. Upgrade again provides pretty good courses. IIT Jodhpur has a MSc Digital Humanities. Can you imagine going to an IIT for Digital Humanities? Amazing combination. Just check out that course, guys. I really find the course curriculum to be amazing and latest and very good placement. You can imagine if you are from an IIT, you will definitely get a good placement. Then of course, you can also look at some private universities like Bennett University. They do a PG program in digital journalism, and then Nasim Monji, which is doing a MBA digital transformation. So generally, I have a lot of people who have done any MBA, any management courses, BMS or BBA, and side by side also they've done digital marketing courses from Digital Vidya, from Upgrade and so on. So that's another way of building it up. Some institutions do call it MBA digital marketing, but largely it will be MBA with like small modules in digital marketing. Ultimately, it is your experience which will lead you there. Definitely, guys, this is a big field to look at. If you get in there, I'm sure you'll be very successful, very fast. Look at it, understand it. If you need anything, please write in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel. We keep on doing a lot of lives and a lot of new content on careers regularly. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye bye.